In this video, we're going to tell you about a credit union that has $30,000 limits and anyone can join.
Okay, money magnets, we're talking about AgFed Federal Credit Union. Now, let's dive into what products they have to offer and see what type of low interest rate credit cards they have. So the first card is the Visa Platinum card. Now with this particular card, there's no annual fee and there's no international transaction fees. I love that. You don't have to pay to hold it in your wallet, okay? Now this card also gives you 0% interest only on balance transfers for 12 months. So if you have a high interest rate credit card, this will be a good opportunity for you to do a balance transfer and not pay any additional fees. Now, this card doesn't come with all those amazing reward points or anything like that, but it does have a great credit limit, which is up to $30,000. Can you imagine having $30,000 in your wallet and you can use it and pay 0% interest?
Yes.
I love this. This card also comes with cash access convenience where you can create a PIN. That means you can go to the ATM machine, money magnets. Okay, we have cash flowing everywhere. What if that card doesn't work for you, but you want a card with cash rebates and a high limit?
All right, let's talk about the Visa Platinum with cash rebates. With this card, you can earn while you spend. You can earn up to 1.25% cash back on every purchase. And the good thing about it, you get 0% for 12 months. The limit goes up to $30,000. And remember, the 0% for 12 months is only on balance transfers. The purchase rate is 16.9%. You got no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees. And like Gloria said about the other card, you can get cash access, which means you can do a cash advance if you want to. But guys, remember, like and share this video. And if you don't need it, share it with someone else that may need it. Also, comment below if you got any experience with AgFed. But I know what you're probably thinking. What if you just want to start a relationship with AgFed? What card should you choose?
Okay, so now they have the Visa Classic card. Now, it doesn't have that big boy limit because the limit only goes to $10,000. But this is a good way to get your foot in the door where you can continue to grow a relationship with this particular credit union.
Yeah.
Now, the APR on this credit card is 17.9%, and there's no annual fee and no foreign transaction fees. This card also has travel insurance coverage, as well as it has a bonus for you. It gives you 25-day grace period on purchases. And guess what, money magnets? It has a no interest rate on balance transfers for 12 months. So
Yes.
You can't go wrong with this particular card. And it has loan payment protection. This credit union is already winning. But money magnets, let's talk about how do you join and become a part of this credit union?
All right, first of all, you can join their nonprofit, the FONA Association, for about $15. I would start a savings and a checking account. And remember, credit unions normally pull check systems. So make sure you have less than 3 inquiries on your check systems. Also, for the products, they pull Experian. So I would make sure I have above a 700 credit score on Experian and less than 3 inquiries in the last 6 months to make sure that you had the best chances of getting that $30,000 limit. But what if you're looking for a car loan?
Okay, money magnets, y'all know how I feel about these vehicles. I'm asking Marvin every week for a new car. But let's dive into what they have to offer. So on a new or used vehicle, they go all the way up to 84 months.
Yeah.
And depending on how many months you want to pay for this vehicle, the interest rate can vary anywhere from 4.29%
Right.
all the way to 6.69%, which is not bad right now for compared to what interest rates are at a lot of other credit unions. Now, you can also get a used vehicle for up to 84 months as well. So it doesn't have to be a brand new car in order to get some of the benefits of this credit union.
And what if you're looking for a personal loan? They have those up to $30,000, interest rates as low as 9.99%, and it's a fixed payment for a set amount of time. So if you want to consolidate some of those credit cards and get a better rate, because 9.99 is a lot better than 17 or 20 that might be on credit cards. And when you get that installment loan, actually and pay off those credit cards, your credit score should go up. So I would really consider if you're going to do business with them, thinking about a personal loan and making sure you keep your balances as low as possible so your credit score stays super high. What if I have equity in my home and I want to borrow against it? You're in luck with this credit union. They have a home equity loan that starts anywhere from 60 months all the way up to 240 months. And you can pull some of that equity out if you want. I had a friend call me about this last week and consolidate all of his credit cards so he can actually get them paid off. Because if you're paying that minimum payment on credit cards, you'll be paying those things forever. Sometimes it may make sense to use some of your home equity.
Most definitely, Marvin. And there's no closing costs when you have a home equity loan.
Right.
And they have a home equity line of credit as well.
Yeah.
Now, it goes up to 180 months and the APR starts at 7.5%. Like, just think about it. Just say you have a project that you want to, work on in your home.
Yep.
Or you just want to use it to consolidate some of your debt to drive your credit score up. That right there could work for you as well. And the terms are really reasonable.
And you could borrow up to 80 or 90% of the equity in your home, which means this could be great for paying taxes, paying off credit cards, or maybe like Gloria said, you might want to improve your kitchen or bathroom. Accessing that equity can help you out. But what if you want to purchase a home?
Okay, Money Magnets. So you can purchase a home and be in all 50 states. The only state that they don't finance in is Texas. And they have a fixed rate mortgage that has amazing rates, Marvin.
Yeah, and if you wanted adjustable rate, like let's say if you wanted a 5-in-1 arm or you wanted a 7-in-1 arm because you may refinance, they offer that as well.
Mm-hmm.
And if you're looking to purchase a home over $1 million, they also offer jumbo loans. And now the other thing I found unique, one, you could buy a house in all 50 states. Most credit unions don't do that.
Right.
Next, they have some unique loans, which is the FHA, the VA, and also reverse mortgages. Those are great if you're getting older, your house is paid off, and you're thinking, hey, I don't know how long I'm gonna be here, but let me start using some of that equity. You could actually pull some of the equity out as you're aging. And for first-time home buyers, you can use FHA as well. So overall, to me, this is a great credit union that anyone can join.
Yes.
Remember, they're gonna pull Experian. For the best results, you wanna have 700 on your Experian, low inquiries, and make sure you remove your freezes or your fraud alerts so that you have the best chances of getting approved and getting those high limits. And guys, remember, make sure to like and share this video and comment below if you have any good results from this credit union.
Okay, Money Magnets, if you're looking to raise $250,000 for your business or on the personal side, book a strategy call in the description below. And hold up, because I have a gem for you. If you're looking for another bank that has 0% interest for 12 months, you don't want to miss this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.